how are you doing? Yeah, my name is Freightliner, and two Freightliners. One I got a bucket and a crane, and the other one I got some kind of a container attached to my back. And I don't know, we're just discussing what we're gonna do. I guess we're gonna do some care for some trees for a new image. Residential and commercial 951 280 9900. Special service. I don't know if they're looking for our driveway or someone else's, but they also have a shredder in the back, a trailer. From here. He's getting out of his truck. I guess he has to open up the back or something. Sweet. Oh man, now I lost some of my shade. I was enjoying the shade of those branches, and then they come and cut them off. Here they are, all